Rest in peace to Uncle Harold and all Hazel. Yeah, I hit him with the Yo, I got to come dirty. I'm 6 hours ahead for 1:30. I chop the tree down for one birthday and burn the whole forest. They staring at me from the side like the eye of Horus on the stone wall drawings. Peep the hieroglyphics and you see the 4 warnings. The 4th of the 4 horsemen. Shadow softmen like porcelain. Caution cause I've caught wind of a conspiracy that's against me to stop me and put it into the MC. Y'all worry about masons and pyramids with the top eye. Mad because I'm ill and you men are not I can spit you an infinite rhyme that can stop pie. If you like to listen forever, then you can stop by. I am so dope, I gotta convince people I'm not high. Invest in me and watch it stock rise just like my size. I'm moving clockwise, just watch me while I do it like voyeurism. Or you rigging, kid, I destroy the rhythm with the Yo, I rumble in my trouble and I'm doubling my brakes. But love for them ain't enough for them when they get in my way. See, I should put a tax on this game for fast pay. Punchlines for dough, yo, call me Cash Clay. The kid to put your flame out like an ashtray. Early in the day, sorta like a matinee. Play hard like clay, got like a broad like a bright day. How to sail when it go down, she got to have a moon that swell. I spread it like the pellets in the shell. And never do I sell it like felons in the cell. Keep it minimized, never disclose who I disclothe, or rather disrobe. So if you dissing me to this slow, there is no way that I cannot be godly. I'll be highly copied, try to stop me like an alley on the board. Skate on, hater, you're lightweight when you record or get rolled on. Matter of fact, hold on, I bring the
MC1